Okay, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the bye 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 dance. Balancing. It was popular way back, but now it's going viral again because of the Deadpool movie. I'm going to break it down step by step for you guys, so it's going to be super easy to follow along. Let's go. Alright, so let's do the first mini section. I'm just going to show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn. Alright, so it goes like this. Ta ta ta, ta ta ta. Alright, let's break that down. The first thing you're going to do, let's focus on the legs first. I'm going to do a small prep by lifting your right leg here before you kick it out to the side, to your right side. Alright? And then you're going to lift it up, and then you're going to bring it down, crossing over your other leg. Okay? Then just rewind and show it again. Doing a small prep, kick, up, cross. Okay? If you want to exaggerate, you can exaggerate. Alright? For now, let's just keep it small. Whoop, boop. Try that a few times. Prep, kick, up, cross. Now your shoulders are gonna say prep. So basically what you wanna do is just go one, one, one. Okay? And then you wanna start by doing a prep, lifting slightly your right shoulder, and then the left is down, and then you basically just wanna go opposite, opposite, opposite. Okay? So there's a small prep with the right, and then it's left, right, left. Okay? So when I say left, that's the one that's up, okay? So right prep, left, right, left. That's how it goes. Just try practice a few times. Prep, left, right, left. Prep, left, right, left. Now, the tricky part is to combine it with the legs, okay? So we're gonna do it prep, both the shoulder here and the leg, and then we're gonna go switch the shoulder, switch. So every time you do something with your legs, you're gonna switch your shoulders, okay? Boom. Just try and watch, okay? So I'm gonna go prep, switch, switch, switch. Just try that a few times. We're gonna say prep, switch, switch, switch. Okay, once you're ready to move on, what you wanna do after prep, switch, with switch, you wanna say the shoulders continue, so they go right, left, right. Okay, pretty simple, just the shoulders. So your left is already up. Now you want to go right, left, right. Okay, just try that a few times, starting with the left up. Right, left, right. Okay, let me just recap here from the tip to top. So what you want to do is go prep, kick, switch, switch. And then from here, right, left, right. Alright, timing wise, where he starts is he sings, I know that I can take no more, it ain't no lie. And then there's a boom, boom, ah. So let me just show the whole thing here with the timing. It goes, it ain't no lie, doom, doom, I wanna see. So I'm gonna sing, it ain't no lie, and then we're gonna go doom, doom, doom. Okay? It ain't no lie, doom, doom, I wanna see. Let's just try that one more time. I'm gonna start singing. It ain't no lie, doom, doom, I wanna see. Okay, let's just try it one last time, a bit faster, okay? I'm gonna start singing. Be ready. It ain't no lie, doom, doom, I wanna see. Okay guys, feel free to practice that a million times if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 2. Okay, quick preview of mini section 2. So right after, right here, it goes like this. Boom, 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 ta, ta, ta. Alright, so let's go to the position end of mini section 1. The right is crossing over your left here, and then your right shoulder is up, okay? Now from here, what you want to do, your arms are going to go pistol out to the front, out. Okay, so it's basically just pretty simple, right? Just try that again. Now the tricky part is to do this at the same time, all right? You just want to go The way I'm doing it, let me show it from the side here. I'm basically going up on my toes to do this, allowing my knees to go outwards, all right? You don't need to exaggerate, right? You can just, You do that every time you're doing the pointing thing. So you're going, Just try that a few times. eh, eh, eh. Now, right after that, we want to do boom, boom, boom. So that's 3, 1, 2, 3, going gradually down. Let me recap. So, right shoulder, this is in a midsection 1, 2 goes 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 2, 3. All right, timing wise, very easy. It's on lyrics again. The lyrics go out that door, bye, bye, bye. Pretty easy to remember, right? So every time they sing a word, out that door, bye, bye, bye. Okay, time to practice, guys. This time we're gonna count us in. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go out that door, bye, bye, bye. Okay? A bit slower, of course. 5, 6, 7, 8, out that door, bye, bye, bye. Should we try that again? 5, 6, 7, 8, out that door, bye, bye, bye. All right, guys, I think it's time to do mini section 1 and mini section 2 together. All right, I'm going to do a quick recap and then we're going to practice. Okay, quick recap. From the tip to top, we're going, it ain't no lie, doom, doom. I wanna see you out that door, bye, bye, bye. All right, let's try and practice. I'm gonna sing It Ain't No Lie, and then we're gonna start, okay? We're gonna go slow. Ready? It ain't no lie, doom, doom. I wanna see you out that door, bye, bye, bye. Let's try that again. Ready? It ain't no lie, doom, doom. I wanna see you out that door, bye, bye, bye. Okay, let's try it one last time, slightly faster, right? Oh, as always, feel free to pause the video if you want to do it at your own pace, okay? From the tip to top. Ready? It ain't no lie, doom, doom. I wanna see you out that door, bye, bye, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.